Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to scan for viruses and malware in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open and you can see your homepage or any tab, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice three vertical dots stacked on top of each other. This is your main menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your browser. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Settings. It's typically located towards the bottom portion of the menu. Click on Settings to proceed. This will open Chrome's settings page where you can configure everything from your search engine preferences to security features. The settings page gives you full control over how Chrome operates and keeps your browsing experience secure. Once you're on the settings page, look at the left side of your screen where you'll see a vertical navigation menu. In this menu, locate and click on Privacy and Security. This section is specifically designed to help you manage all the security features that protect you while browsing, including safe browsing settings, cookie controls, and importantly, malware detection. Clicking here gives you access to the tools that keep your browser and data safe from threats. After clicking Privacy and Security, scroll down through the options until you find a button that says Go to Safety Check. This is Google Chrome's built-in security scanner that monitors your browser for potential threats. Click on this button to open the Safety Check dashboard. This feature is incredibly useful because it provides a comprehensive overview of your browser's security status in one convenient location. Now you can see the Safety Check page right in front of you. This is where Chrome displays whether any viruses or malware have been detected on your browser. The great thing about this feature is that Google Chrome automatically scans your browser in the background, constantly monitoring for any suspicious activity or potential threats. You don't need to manually run scans every time. Chrome does the heavy lifting for you. You can simply check this page whenever you want to verify your browser's security status and ensure everything is running smoothly without any malware infections. And that's it. You now know how to access Chrome's built-in security scanner and check for viruses and malware. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.